Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of The Good, the Bad, and the Spammy, where we dissect outbound emails and offer critique and best practices. This email started off really strong with a great subject line and opening line. It's personalized, it's relevant to our team, and some of the hard work they've been putting into our social media, specifically a tweet that they're referencing. I think we're all kind of guilty of this rough transition here. They added the personalization, they did the work, but they didn't tie it into their overall email that they already had, so it feels a little bit disjointed. Jumping into that second paragraph, I like that they asked a question, what's most important for Mixmax? I don't love that they asked which one is the most important, because then they go to say, we understand that all three of these are important. So I think you could assume that the prospect probably assumes all three are very important as well. And they're most likely not going to respond and say just one after you've already even said yourself, all three of these things are important. If you were, I would say give them something like a poll where they can click just inside the email. They don't have to go ahead and respond, which I think would be unlikely for them to respond to that direct question. Maybe if they're interested, they would respond to have a conversation. But a poll would be a really easy way to get a quick answer. But I would reword that to something else, even if you did do a poll. They added some really relevant links to their website. Our team found those interesting, so those were definitely relevant to, what they're trying to do and engaging and interesting to them. Last thing is going to be asking for their availability. I think that you need to add a few time slots if you're going to do that, opposed to just leaving it and putting the work on the prospect to let you know when they're available. But always good to ask, and if you added a few time slots, probably more likely to get that meeting booked right away instead of the back and forth. That's all I have for today, and thank you for your time.